Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for Bank of America mobile banking. This tutorial is for users who already have the Bank of America account but need to create their online login access. Let's get started. Open up the Bank of America application in your mobile device. Once it loads, you'll see the main login screen. Simply tap on the button that says Get Started, and here you will see two options. Choose the one that says Create My Login. Tap this if you already have the Bank of America account but haven't set up your online banking yet. The app will ask for your personal banking details. You'll need to enter your card or account number, the last 6 digits of your card or account, and make sure you type in your SSN or TIN number. Make sure the information is correct. After that, simply tap on Continue. On the next page, you'll be asked to create your username, password, email, and other security details. Follow the prompt and fill out all required fields. Once everything is set, confirm your information, and after completing all of the steps, your online and mobile banking access will be successfully set up. Now you can log in anytime using the username and password you just created. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.